I'm gonna show you my super easy, defined, fresh makeup routine. I like to use tinted moisturizer because it's super light and easy to blend. Bonus points for this one because it's SPF 30. I like liquid blush. Again, super easy to blend and it looks really natural. And you only have to use the tiniest little bit, so this should last you a really long time. Now I take a dark brown eyeliner. As you can see, I use this a lot. You want to find one that's quite creamy so that you don't have to drag it along your lash line. And make sure it's sharpened to a point so you can easily define that lash line. Now I very lightly brush some powder just onto places that I don't want to be shiny. I like using eyebrow pencils. I posted a whole video about how I do my eyebrows just because, you know, eyebrows usually need a lot of attention. Now I use an eyebrow gel just to make them a little thicker and to keep them in place. I use a very light layer of mascara just to define my eyes a little more. Then I take highlighter and I like to hit my cheekbones, my eyebrow arches, and my nose. This lip pencil is my go-to. Try to find a color that's just an exaggerated version of your natural lip color. And now you're good to go.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you guys how to get the most flattering eyeshadow look that everyone can wear. It's only 3 shades. The first shade you're going to need is a transition shade. I like to use a nice medium brown like this. You can also use bronzer if you like. And you just want to take this on a fluffy blending brush and run this right through the crease. Now take a gold or champagne color, either of these two. I'm going to go in with this one. And I like to just use my finger and apply that right to the lid. Now finally, take a deeper brown shade and pack this right on the outer corner of your eye. I like to stamp this right along the lash line and up into the crease a little bit, and then you're going to take it and run it under the eye as well. Use a fluffy brush to keep blending everything out. Then of course pop on your favorite mascara and a lash if you like, and there you have it.